Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming macOS is up to date and that the Spotlight shortcut is active. This avoids unexpected behavior. Press Command and Space to open Spotlight immediately and begin typing the name of an app, file, or simple query. Because Spotlight indexes in the background, results appear almost instantly. If you don't see what you expect, type a few more characters to refine matches. Once done, use the arrow keys to preview items before opening them. Now refine your search using precise terms. Enclose phrases in quotes for exact matches and add modifiers like file type, PDF or kind, email to limit results. You can type arithmetic or natural phrases for calculations and conversions, which Spotlight computes instantly, saving you time. To inspect a result without opening, press space for a quick look, and if you need the files folder, press Command and Enter to reveal it in Finder. Make sure to try Boolean logic. To finish, personalize Spotlight in System Settings. Reorder result categories and exclude noisy folders so relevant items surface quickly. If results are missing or slow, rebuild the index by adding then removing a folder in Spotlight Privacy. This forces reindexing. Once reindexing completes, verify performance. If things still go wrong, restart your Mac and check disk health and free space. Low storage or disk errors often cause delays. If necessary, update macOS to ensure indexing improvements are applied.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.